So it's pretty much all done. So now we are going to start measuring and putting tape so we can cut the bumper. It's a one-shot thing. If I mess up, or if my dad messes up, then we ruin the bumper. So we'll see how it goes. So now removing the reinforcement. By the way, if you guys didn't know, my dad's been working on cars for how many years, Dad?
Almost 30 years.
Almost 30 years. Insane. This probably would have took me all day, and it's only been about an hour, and he's basically got almost the whole thing taken apart. That's how it's done. Alright, so everybody showed up to support the bumper install. We got Josh, we got Jesse, we got El Jinje. Everybody's here.
Just because the stock one, they won't.
¿La de cortar no fue tan difícil?
No, la cortada estuvo fácil, no medida.
What's up, man?
Alright guys, so this is progress. Everything's already cut, ready to be mounted. All I'm doing now is just cleaning up this area before putting these fender flares back on, and the bumper should be on. Alright guys, so here it is. Finished product. I'm still working on the wiring, but that's something that I'm gonna do. But I just wanted to finish the video and show you guys what it looks like. You can see all the king suspension and whatnot. And that's the front. This is the back bumper. I got the S2 Pros in the back. Here's the side shot. And like I said, if you guys see wires dangling, I'm still doing the wiring. You got the BAJA Pros in the front, and then you got the BAJA bar light S8. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Kind of crazy, I guess. Random, since I just did a walk around, but that's the reason why I did it. I wanted to surprise you guys. Let me know what you guys think. Comment below. And I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.
I can't stay. Commissioner!